soft and juicy meat. So easy to make. Here's the secret. But the secret lies in the combination of ingredients I used. I've prepared 500 grams of meat, cutting it into strips, and I'll make a few more cuts to ensure the seasoning is fully absorbed. You'll see how incredible the flavor turns out. This is the best way to prepare liver, believe me. I'll start by adding salt to taste on all the pieces. Next, I'll sprinkle black pepper to taste over them. Finally, and just as important, I'll add oregano. Spread it evenly with your hands for the best results. Now, I'll flip all the pieces over to season the other side. Just repeat the same seasoning steps. This part is super simple. When you season meat at home, what do you like to add? If you have a special secret, share it with me. I'd love to hear. This recipe is amazing. Quick, easy, requires few ingredients, and turns out delicious. There's no reason not to try it at home. Test it out and let me know how it turns out. In a bowl, I'll add 1 cup of wheat flour. Now, I'll coat all the pieces of meat thoroughly. Make sure to cover all sides. Repeat this process with each piece. I'm so happy you're enjoying our recipes. This is an incredible and delicious recipe. Make it at home and then come back to tell me what you thought. Once all the pieces are coated, I'll fry them up. When you notice they're starting to turn golden, flip them to fry the other side. This is the perfect point. They're ready. Now, I'll transfer everything to a plate and set it aside. Look at how crispy they look. The flavor must be amazing. In a pan, I'll add some olive oil. I'll place the fried pieces of meat into the pan. Now, it's time to add the magic ingredients. I'll start with 3 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. I'll keep the heat on medium to allow these ingredients to integrate with the meat. It's even easier when I'm here to guide you. I'll add 1/4 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of honey. I'll continue mixing everything with a spatula to spread the flavors evenly. Flip the pieces one last time, and that's it. Perfect. For an extra touch, I'll add a bit of parsley to enhance the flavor. If you enjoyed this recipe, stay tuned. I have many more special secrets and tips to share, but the secret lies in the combination of ingredients I used. If you get the quantities just right, I guarantee it'll turn out as perfect as mine. The strong point of this recipe is that you can prepare it in a short time and with just a few, which is why it has become a routine in my house. I'm sure it will become a routine in yours too.